Hello friends, welcome to Home Chef Rashmi. Today I will share perfect spongy fluffy dokla recipe. It is Gujarati delicacy which you can enjoy as a breakfast or snacks. Watch till end for your perfect dokla recipe. Let's start. Here I have taken 1 cup besan or gram flour. Sieve it properly to break lumps. You can see there is no lumps now. It's done. Let's transfer besan or gram flour in bowl, after that adding remaining ingredients. Add 1 spoon semolina or suji, 1 spoon salt, 1 spoon sugar. Add little bit turmeric powder or haldi. Make sure add little bit haldi only, because it may react with baking soda and turns in red color. Mix dry ingredients first. Please note that we are not adding ENO or baking soda here. We will add it later. Add 1/4 cup of yogurt, and add water. Whisk it properly. Overall, we will use 1/3 glass of water. Mix it well. Can you observe one thing? I am whisking in only one direction. Whisk properly only in one direction for fluffy dokla. Consistency should not be too thin or thick. Whisk it properly for 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can see there is no lumps in our batter. Batter is ready, and then let the batter set for 10 to 20 minutes. While the batter is resting, grease the steel container with oil, or you can take deep plate also. If greased well, the dokla will easily get inverted on the plate. I am using butter paper here at bottom of container. It will help you easy slide out dokla after baking. You may skip as well. Add water to the pot. Keep stand or trivet inside pot. Cover it now and let the water comes to boil while you are making the batter. After 15 minutes, add 1 spoon ENO and add 1.5 spoon lemon juice. To activate ENO. Here I use ENO because it gives me better results. And stir it nicely in one direction. The batter will become frothy and increase in volume. Do not overstir. Please make a note that the ENO should be mixed evenly with the batter, or else you get uneven texture in the dokla. Stir it for only 1 minute and batter is ready. Quickly transfer the batter to the greased steel container and place the container on a trivet or stand. It is important to start cooking quickly after adding ENO to get soft and fluffy dokla. Place a trivet or stand at the bottom, then place the container with batter on it. Place a lid and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. While the dokla is steaming in the steamer, heat pan and add 2 spoon oil. Then add mustard seeds and let them sizzle. Add pinch of asafoetida or hing. Add 1 spoon salt and 1 spoon sugar. Now add green chilies. Here I am adding 2 chilies. If you like more spicy, you can add more chilies. Saute for 30 seconds. Then add half glass of water. Let it cook for 1 minute and turn off flame. And our tempering is ready. After 15 minutes, let's check dhokla. Wow, the steam comes out. Now you can see with the toothpick. Insert toothpick. If it comes properly, it means our dhokla is ready. Let it cool down and start releasing from sides. Apply butter on knife and slide knife gently along the sides. Flip it over the plate and tap on the top of container. Dhokla will come out smoothly. Cut the dhokla into pieces and spread the tempering over it. Garnish dhokla with cilantro or dhania. You can have it with chilies and your favorite chutney or sauce. Now dhokla is ready to serve. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.